You're about to drop 15 grand on a new heat pump, and most homeowners choose based on a sticker on the side of the box. There is a hidden performance trap in these high-end inverter systems that can cost you more in repairs than you save on your electric bill. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Before I spent 17 years in residential HVAC, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Out at sea, if an electrical system failed, it was a catastrophe. In your backyard, a failure just means a catastrophic hit to your bank account. I translate technical data into real-world decisions so you don't get burned. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters head-to-head, the Armstrong Air Pro Series A7HP19V and the Rheem Endeavor Prestige RP19AY. These are both ultimate tier units, but they represent two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. When you look at the cabinet, both of these guys use louvered steel panels. These panels act like armor, protecting that soft aluminum coil from hail, weed whackers, and neighborhood kids. They keep your heat transfer efficient for 20 years, not 5. Everyone looks at the efficiency numbers, specifically the HSPF2, which dictates your winter heating bill. The Armstrong Air pulls a 9.5 HSPF2, while the Rheem hits an 8.5. That 1 point difference matters when it's 20 degrees outside and your heat pump is working overtime. The real magic is the compressor, and both of these use variable speed technology. They operate like a gas pedal, slowing to maintain temperature or flooring it when you get home. This eliminates cold drafts and temperature swings, and both units use variable speed fans to stay in sync and whisper quiet. Most people do not realize who actually makes these units. Armstrong Air is under Lennox International, and Rheem is for Paloma Industries. When you buy these, you are paying for the top-tier engineering of the parent company. For the Armstrong Air, the average equipment cost is $5,165, and full install around $7,950. The Rheem unit costs about $6,295, and total installed averages $12,590. You might wonder if that extra $4,000 is just a brand tax. And before you decide, we must talk about the lungs of your system. If you do not change filters or clean outdoor coils, even a $12,000 system will choke to death. Restricted airflow is the #1 killer of expensive variable speed compressors. Both brands offer 10 years on parts and the compressor, but the Rheem Endeavor includes a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. If that compressor fails within the first decade, Rheem replaces the entire outdoor unit, and Armstrong does not offer that protection. Both units are American-made, but that extra coverage from Rheem is a massive hedge against total system failure. Winner Armstrong Air. Even with Rheem's unit replacement guarantee, the Armstrong Air wins for the homeowner wallet due to lower install cost and better winter efficiency. It is significantly more affordable to install, saving you over $4,000 upfront, and it outperforms Rheem in winter efficiency with a 9.5 HSPF2. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.